I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to hide what you listen to from friends on Spotify. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, check out maxdalton.how for more great tutorials. By default, Spotify gives your friends and followers the ability to see what you're listening to on your Spotify account. Thankfully, if you're generally not comfortable with the idea of other people seeing what you're listening to on Spotify, you can easily hide what you listen to on the streaming audio platform. To be clear, hiding your listening activity is different from listening to music on Spotify privately. If you ever decide to unhide your listening activity on the service, people will be able to see what you listen to. Alternatively, if you listen to music in a private session, no one else will ever be able to see that. I'll include a link in the description and pinned comment that will show you how to start a private listening session on Spotify. First, let's walk through the steps to hide what you're listening to from friends in the Spotify mobile app. Step 1. Open the Spotify mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Spotify home screen. Step 2. Tap the settings icon at the top of the screen. The Spotify settings screen is shown. Step 3. Tap Privacy and Social. The Privacy and Social screen is displayed. Step 4. Tap to toggle off listening activity. Going forward, your friends and other people who follow you will no longer be able to see what you're listening to on Spotify. If you ever want them to be able to see what you're listening to again, you can always come back to this screen and toggle listening activity back on. Next, let's walk through the steps to hide what you're listening to from friends in the Spotify desktop app. Step 1. Open the Spotify desktop app. Click your profile icon at the top of the screen to open a menu. Step 2. Click Settings in this menu. The settings screen is displayed. Step 3. Scroll down this screen until you get to the Social section. Find Share My Listening Activity on Spotify in this section, and then click to toggle it off. Going forward, your friends and other people who follow you will no longer be able to see what you're listening to on Spotify. If you ever want them to be able to see what you're listening to again, you can always come back to this screen and toggle listening activity back on. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.